Auto Buzz brings you a motorcycle that blends old-school soul with modern muscle, the Langen Lightspeed Retro Cruiser. A rare machine that looks straight out of the past but performs like a modern powerhouse. Designed for purists
Alright,
and
let's fire this up.
the Lightspeed isn't just a bike.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
It's a statement. Design and styling.
This is the new
Langen
model. It's
Lightspeed
got a
Retro
powerful
Cruiser
engine
is
and
a
sleek
visual
design.
tribute to
The
classic
craftsmanship
British
is outstanding.
motorcycles,
It's built to perform.
featuring a minimalist frame.
This Langen is a real
exposed
beauty.
mechanical elements.
Let's see how
and
it feels.
handcrafted bodywork.
Yeah, that's the one.
Its retro fuel tank, round headlamp, wire spoke wheels, and premium paint finish give it a timeless cafe-inspired presence. Every detail feels bespoke, making it one of the most exclusive retro cruisers on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Langen Lightspeed is a powerful V-twin engine, engineered to deliver raw torque.
This Langen
and
is a
thrilling
real beauty.
acceleration. Despite its
Let's see how
classic
it feels.
appearance, this motorcycle
that's the
offers
one.
aggressive performance with a lightweight chassis that enhances speed and agility. The engine's character is loud, mechanical,
Alright,
and
let's fire
emotional.
this up.
Exactly what true enthusiasts crave.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Ride and handling. Thanks to its low weight and well-balanced geometry, the Lightspeed offers sharp handling and confident cornering. The suspension is tuned for spirited riding, while the rigid feel adds to its authentic retro character. This bike is built for riders who value engagement over comfort. Features and technology. While it looks vintage, the Langen Lightspeed includes modern essentials like high-performance braking components, premium suspension, and precision-engineered controls. The analog instrument cluster keeps things old school, ensuring the riding experience remains pure, distraction-free. Comfort and practicality. The riding position is sporty and crisp, ideal for short, spirited rides rather than long touring journeys. This motorcycle is about passion, not practicality. Price and availability. The Langen Lightspeed Retro Cruiser comes with a premium, limited production price tag, making it a collector's motorcycle rather than a mass market option. Its exclusivity and craftsmanship justify its high cost. Rivals. Key rivals include rough Superior Hornets, Arch Motorcycles KRGT1, and high-end custom cafe racers. However, the Lightspeed stands out due to its extreme lightweight design and raw riding experience. Verdict. The Langen Lightspeed Retro Cruiser is not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's a motorcycle built for purists who value heritage, craftsmanship, and emotional riding above all else. If you want a rare, aggressive, and beautifully old-school machine, the Lightspeed delivers in unforgettable fashion.